Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Today I want us to talk about Uzandile Tsonso. Guys, I am so sad about what happened. I'm sure a lot of you guys know, those that have Facebook know already what happened. So as you can see on this picture, Tsonso Zandile is the one that is in the middle, ne? And then they are a friendship nje group nyana. So they were celebrating the birthday of the twins. So the twins, it's those ones that are standing next to her. Sharp okay, so I guess they discussed everything with group chat, and then these people show up like about 2 hours late. Imagine. And they show up 2 hours late wearing the same outfits, guys, except for him. Like Kanjani. And for 2 hours, I was really not gonna wait that long. Like she has so much patience, okay. Imagine we are going to celebrate Sine birthday lunch, and then you guys are just not saying anything because she made a video saying that she waited for them. She's trying to call them. The phone is going to voicemail or something like that, or they were not answering. But Nje, she has a patience because I don't think I was going to survive it, Shem. I really don't think so. And when they got there, they were just laughing, saying, "It's oh, you didn't dress like us, so I guess it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Beyonce." And then they started singing a happy birthday to her. Like, what kind of sarcasm is that? And girl, she kept on saying, "Good, you guys didn't tell me. Why are you guys wearing blazers and don't even tell me?" I feel like these girls have a group chat that is separate where Utonzo Zandile is not there. Because how can you guys do this to her? I feel like nje they have a separate group chat where they discussed in a theme yabo, even the hairstyles. They did ama-frontal ponytails sana. Girl was the one nje ngedenim and jean. She kept on asking them, and even the comments that they were making, they said, oh, she said, "Ukuthi, why did you guys wear ama blazers and didn't tell me?" And they were like, "You also bought a blazer. I mean, you also bought a BMW and didn't tell us." Guys, what in the jealousy is that? Like, sometimes, man, be careful of the friends that you choose. Because, okay, she, Utonto Zandile is a big content creator on Facebook. She is getting paid like a real money. So she has money, she can afford everything. I feel like she needs to leave this friendship before it's too late, son, because it shows what they are jealousing in J. So now they're jealousing about her car. They're saying that, "Oh, and you bought a big car, you bought a BMW and didn't tell us." So none you guys are punishing me by wearing blazers and not telling me. Like, make it make sense, guys. Let me just put her video there. You will see, Shem. It's really sad.
What's up, Mrs. Patty Gwen? Gwen, Mrs. Pat. Gwen, happy birthday, Tunzo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. How are you? Gwen, a birthday girl. I'm going to have a blazer. Oh, well,
So you guys can see the video. Ukuthi she didn't know. But bona, it's a coincidence. Like, four people, it's a coincidence. Ukuthi nina, you guys are wearing the same outfits, and I'm there with my denim and leather jacket. If maybe it was two people, I would understand. What, yeah, it's a coincidence. And he, as in some people, even the twins, they were like, "Oh, you didn't know. You didn't know what your twin was going to wear." Like, really. They are just playing her shame. Okay, she needs to get out of this friendship before it's too late, Sana, because even now she is not okay. She posted a video on Facebook saying that she doesn't like this app anymore, referring to Facebook because of this and that. But now she can see what she was being played for a fool, son. I mean, I was, yo, son, okay, after waiting for 2 hours for you to arrive, and then you arrive there. So now it's like, mina, for still, you didn't invite me. Yo, son, I was not going to be able to pretend, Shem. I was not going to be able to pretend, knowing myself, Usana. Anyway, guys, please leave a comment in the comment section. What do you think of this situation?